Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about the differences between roasting and calcination in a 10th class physical science in principles of metallurgy chapter. Important one for 2 marks. Differences between roasting and calcination, students. Roasting is a pyrochemical reaction. Calcination is also pyrochemical reaction. Pyrochemical reaction. That is, both are pyrochemical reactions, students. But what is a pyrochemical reaction? The chemical reaction which is carried with the help of heat energy. So by heating the chemical substances, if the chemical reaction is carried, so then it is called pyrochemical reaction. It means that for roasting and calcination, so heat is involved. That is why it is roasting is a pyrochemical reaction. Calcination is also pyrochemical reaction. But definition of roasting: the process of heating the ore, in the presence of air, that is oxygen, is called roasting. So the process of heating the ore in the presence of air, or in the presence of air means oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, is called roasting. What is a calcination? The process of heating the ore, in the absence of oxygen is called the process of heating the ore in the absence of oxygen is called calcination. So it is in the presence of oxygen, it is in the absence of oxygen. So generally roasting process is used for sulfide ores, students. Roasting process is used for sulfide ores. Calcination process is used for carbonate ores. But what is ore? Already we explained in the previous videos, students. You can see in the playlist chapter of principles of metallurgy. So roasting process is used generally for sulfide ores. Calcination process is used generally for carbonate ores. Here, by the process of roasting, sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore. Sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore. And in the case of calcination, students, carbonate ore is converted into oxide ore. So in the case of roasting process, sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore, carbonate ore is converted into oxide ore. So now example students we are taking. PBS. We are taking an example, sulfide ore PBS, lead sulfide, galena. So when it is allowed to roasting process, but you know roasting happens in the presence of oxygen, that is why so plus O2 is written, students. So when PBS is heated, it turns into, that is sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore, PBS turns into PBO, and S and oxygen will come out as sulfur dioxide, students. So for balancing purpose, so it is written 2 PBS plus 3 O2 gives rise to 2 PBO plus 2 SO2. Now example for calcination, students. We are taking magnesite, MgCO3, magnesium carbonate. It is the R of magnesium, it is the R of plumbum. When it is heated in the absence of oxygen, that is why no plus O2 is written, students, but here plus O2 is written. Here plus O2 because it happens in the presence of oxygen, but here in the absence of oxygen, that is why no oxygen is added here. On heating, it decomposes into MgO and CO2. So this is a metal oxide, students. Here it is a metal oxide. That is why sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore, carbonate ore is converted into oxide ore, students. So you can see clearly. So most important, students, it is a textual question in Principles of Metallurgy chapter. So once again repeating, roasting and calcination differences. Roasting and calcination differences, students. Pyrochemical reaction, roasting is, calcination also pyrochemical reaction. So process of heating the ore in the presence of oxygen is called roasting. Process of heating the ore in the absence of oxygen is called calcination. So roasting is generally used for sulfide ores. Calcination is generally used for carbonate ores. So in the case of roasting process, sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore. But in the case of calcination process, carbonate ore is converted into oxide ore. So example, you can see 2 PBS plus 3 O2 gives rise to 2 PBO plus 2 SO2. And MgCO3 gives rise to MgO plus CO2. PBS is galena, it is the R of plumbum or lead. MgCO3 is a magnesite, it is the R of metal, magnesium, students. So that's all, students.